treats in there. Your father has trained you differently. Get your beer out.
Where are you going? It's dark down that corner, isn't it? Get your bear. Nora, get your bear, Sweet Pea. Get your bear.
What did she after?
I don't know.
Oh, you have 1 foot on the carpet and 1 on the wood.
What are you looking for?
Oh, there's a bug. Megan.
What?
It's a
Where?
spider.
Where? Oh my God, where? Where?
It's right here. She saw it. Look at it. She saw it right
Oh
there.
my gosh, that's the smallest spider that I just ran from.
Here, where is he? Oh, okay. Goodbye, spider. We're not gonna. Oh, she was gonna get it. Probably eat it.
Oh my gosh, you can't do shit like that, Mom.
Well, it was a spider.
Yeah, well, I'm
Now she's so
no,
confused.
yeah, I know.
Where did it go?
Oh no, she just. Oh. There's a thing of food if she wants to play with it.
What's in there?
What is that major scratch on her arm? Do you see that?
What else is in there?
Oh, don't let her go. There's nothing else in there. It's dirty.
It looks like you need a new bag. It's got a hole in the bottom.
No. Now what? Where's your bear? I think she's hitting it. Hitting the wall. You gonna eat that? Yeah! You gonna eat that bear?
Let me pick up the beer
Show
bottles on the floor.
Show that bear who's boss. Mom's putting away your beer. Oh, gross.